Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of my What I Eat in a Week series, except this time it's like the weekend edition. I'm honestly so addicted to watching these what I'll eat in a week sort of videos, and I love food so much and I love cooking, so yeah, I've kind of filmed another one and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Good morning! Today is Saturday morning and I'm having a breakfast with Hong, and we have a special PBJ that Hong makes, it's his specialty, and we also have a lot of bread top items that I bought as well this morning. It's good. So sweet and buttery.
Not too heavy for breakfast, is it?
Not at all. I used to only eat savoury for breakfast.
Me too.
Now it's like only one sweet. Hong also made an iced coffee. Well, basically it's like an Americano. Alright, we have an udon for lunch that Hong cooked. He's actually been cooking breakfast and lunch today, which is great. And we've got like a fatty hot pot beef style udon with capsicum and a fried egg. And also have tangmuji, we call it, which is tangmuji, which is, what do you call this? Pickled radish? I think it's Korean. If you're Korean, you'll know how much I butchered that pronunciation. So crunchy. Grab a bit of egg. Let's go.
Really?
Good job. Have a green juice here today. Tastes really good. Then we also have leftover omurice that we got yesterday night from Omu Sydney. They do this Japanese fancy style of omurice where you cut open the omelette and then like this gooey egg falls out and it's like a blanket of softness. Inside there's usually fried rice. So we got the demi-glaze version and tomato version last night, and we did a video / mukbang on it on our Anna and Hong channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed to that yet, go check it out in the description box below.
It's still good.
Still so good.
Yeah. The only thing missing, I swear, is meat.
Yeah. If it had a bit more meat, it would be even better.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright, we have our Vietnamese pork roll dinner, which is very, very simple and probably not the most traditional one. And then we have gin ramen. It's quite dry on the first bite.
The first bite is always very dry.
Thank you. Our favorite. Wow, the
so
noodles
chewy.
are cooked perfectly.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So tonight we're making Budae jjigae, which is Korean army stew. We've got baked beans, spam, tofu, sausages, and kimchi. But we have a massive feast tonight. It is incredible. Got some sweet and sour pork ribs, vegetable and pork stir-fried noodles. We have some prawn and chive dumplings, and we also made our own Budae jjigae. Cheers. The flavor is pungent. Some noodles.
Yum.
Gonna also try a sweet and sour pork rib now. Tastes like sweet and sour pork but better. Some stir-fried noodles. Not bad. Lastly, one of my favorites from Taste of Shanghai, prawn and chive dumpling. So freaking good. It's like better than a hagao. Alright guys, we also have these TV snacks. They are Krispy Kreme original glazed donut flavored. I'm so excited. Oh, what the? That looks like expectation versus reality.
That was terrible.
It does look quite terrible, to be honest. What the hell? How are these TV snacks? They're massive. Should be like small bites. Let's try these TV snacks. Oh, this actually smells like Krispy Kreme donuts.
It was hard.
Tastes like a really hard biscuit that has Krispy Kreme glaze. Interesting. For lunch today, I'm just having my random leftovers from last night's dinner. I've got the leftover Budae jjigae with spam and tofu and some instant ramen and kimchi. I also have this leftover takeout from Taste of Shanghai. There is a prawn and chive dumpling, some stir-fried noodles, plain rice, and some deep-fried sweet and sour pork ribs. Yum. Alright, it is now almost dinner time. It's 5 p.m. and tonight we're making chicken and veggie wraps with avocado. We're just trying to be a bit more health conscious today because we gymmed. You know, on the days you gym, you just want to be more healthy. So yeah, just gonna make it now and hopefully it won't take too long to whip up. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we'll be having a chicken, avocado and grilled vegetables wrap. We also have halloumi inside because Hong was craving for halloumi a few days ago. And yeah, very excited because I haven't really made a wrap like this before. Wow, this is so good. That sriracha mayo really gives it a kick. You got the red onions, the fresh capsicum, the salty halloumi, creamy avocado, and chicken breast. Yum! What the hell?